Welcome guys, and thank you for clicking my video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make music on your Android phone with just some few steps. Welcome once more guys. So first, what you need to do is you need to download My Music Maker Jam. My Music Maker Jam, it is available at Play Store. So there are some music, some beats I made by myself. And you can increase the speed of your music right here. If you're someone who don't really know how to rap, you can increase it. So
it's been a cold winter, I'ma switch it for the summer. I ain't talking, but still, suckers from the cover. I'm in the sunshine, cause I know I got mine. Pimpin' is a short thing, buried in my bloodline. I do it all the time, all around the way. I put it down, coming straight from the underground. Now what you want now? I do it for the masses, I never blow my chances. My style is classic, static, you want the heat, I got it. Check it, check it. Check it, check it.
I told you once, and I'll tell you twice. The way
So don't bother about the settings, whatever. When you download the app, they're going to show you some tutorials, and the more you participate in tutorials, the more you get more bitcoins to buy more music. But as for me, I've already hacked the app, so whenever I need music, I just go to the store and I buy for free. So if you want me to hack the app for you, just leave a comment and tell me, and I'll make the next video. The next video I'll upload is about how to hack My Music Maker Jam. And please be sure to subscribe. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe.